Whoa, 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 whoa. Sorry, I have been gone for a while now, but my biceps have gotten bigger. That's my right, that's my left, both bigger. So right now I'm actually back in Idaho at my parents' house, just hanging out here visiting. I'm gonna show you guys where I grew up kind of, and what my family does for a living, which a lot of you are going to think is very strange, very out of the ordinary, because it is. It's really weird, but it's cool. It's really cool too. So come on, I don't even know why I'm telling you. I just want to show you. So let's go. Let us go. That's my little sister. Now she is a professional TV watcher, so this is pretty much what she does for a living. Nice work, Sharon, keep it up. Now let me show you my father.
Very informative. Well, I thought you were going to go with your volcano. What made you switch to electron?
Oh, Dad, dude, I got you on video sleeping now. Now the whole world's gonna know you're sleeping, dude. But that's my pops right there. He's just taking a nice snooze. That's what he likes to do sometimes. That exact position too.
I know, it hurts my knee.
Yeah, it hurts his knee, it hurts his whole body, but man, he'll sleep there for hours, sometimes days even, huh, Dad? Oh. Welcome to my house. Now this actually isn't my house, this is my parents' house, but still cool. My sister's gonna come with me. Thank you for coming, Sheridan. So this is what we're looking at real quick, sorry. So this is where I live. We live on about 50-something acres of land. Sorry, Sheridan, you keep getting in my shot. It's like, I'm trying to just, okay. That's a pool. Now the pool, I don't know what happened there. Sheridan, what happened?
The wind.
That was the wind?
Storm.
We had a storm? A powerful storm, obviously, nonetheless, right?
Yep.
Okay, interesting. Thank you for telling me that story. So this is where we live, kind of. We live on about 50-something acres of blah, blah, blah property. Now these are leaves, which is cool. Now we love fall, mostly because we like leaves. We like leaves actually a lot. Isn't that right? Don't we like leaves? Yeah, we love leaves. We love them. Sometimes we do fun stuff with the leaves.
Look, up there, in the tree. How many leaves do you see? Let's count. How many leaves do you see? How many leaves in the tree?
Now I lost my phone. Oh. Jordan, help me find my phone. Okay. Interesting, I only rolled. Nice. Found a phone in the leaves. So, we just got done playing in the leaves. That was fun. Give me some. Yes, my dad started this farm. Gosh, I want to say, I mean, I've been here since, I'm 24, so I've been on this farm for 24 years now. And you guys, a lot of people, when I'm saying farm, what comes to your mind? Maybe a pig, maybe horses, cows, or maybe even, maybe you're thinking of farming, which that's not the case here, is it, Sheridan?
Nope.
It is not. It's very different. Oh my gosh, my dog has a goat head in his foot. Come here, don't be afraid, don't be afraid. I saved you, don't forget me. Why are you still limping? Come back. Okay, he's gone. This is gonna be crazy to you guys. Do you see what that is? That is a pheasant. So yeah, this is what my dad does. We raise about 70,000 pheasants a year. Isn't that delightful? Isn't it delightful? Oh, my dog has another go ahead. Come on, right here, you see this? Watch this. A lot of people. Okay, hang on. Don't be scared, you pansy. Yes, I caught this with my bare hand. Now, this right here is a pheasant, and he is petrified. You can tell. Look at his eyes. He's scared. Are you scared? Good, you should be. You know why? Because I just caught you, and I don't know what I'm gonna do with you yet. You can do all sorts of cool things with them. Mostly hold them and pet them, but most people actually just shoot them for fun. Which is pretty crazy. Yeah, so we live on this farm where that's all we do is just raise pheasants. Isn't that weird? You can do all sorts of cool things with them. A lot of the times, like, you can make them do this. You can kind of like go like this with them. Sometimes even you can get them to just sit on your hand and not fly. Are you kidding me? Also, you can kind of squeeze the neck a little bit, not real hard. You just kind of give it a nice little kind of likes that. Are you kidding me again? Yeah, he loves it. Okay, so I have my pheasant now. This one I think is just my pet Jerry. Pet Jerry. You can do all sorts of cool things. Like, honestly, like. That was a dumb idea. I don't know why I did that. We have pens, these big pens right here. Let's give them a little view of them. They go forever. They go way, way down there. So it just goes all the way down there. We got tons of them. This is how I just looked when I just did that shot. Sometimes there's holes on the pens and they escape. Hint why this one was out of his cage. Hint why I also made him my pet. Thank you, Jerry, I love you. Oh no, my dog's got another go ahead. Come here. Come here, Foot. I can save you. I got you. I saved you. That's a go ahead. Okay, so, and we're walking. Oh gosh. Jerry.
Dakota, come on, we gotta go.
Oh, okay, let's go. Sorry about that. I drifted off. I don't know what happened. Ow! Okay, let's see if Jerry's tame yet. I'm gonna try to see if I can let Jerry go. Now, Jerry, I'm gonna ask you to please listen. I love you, Jerry. Come on, Jerry. Come on. No, other way. Jerry, no. Jerry. No. Come on, come this way, Jerry. Thank you. There, he's listening a little better. Good boy, Jerry. Jerry, pull back, Jerry. Jerry's not letting me go. Why do you keep going back? Jerry, I can see you hiding in the weeds. If you're trying to hide from me, it's not working. Come here. You think you have you? Okay, he just ran away. Jerry. Okay. There he goes. Jerry. Jerry just ran away. Jerry is a fine pet. This one hurts. I love you, Jerry. I love you. Don't you forget me. Whatever, I'll find another one. All right, you guys, we are in a pen right now full of these little critters. Let's have some fun with it, Sheridan. Should we like run through them?
Let's do it.
Should we do it?
Yeah, let's do it.
Here we go. Let's do it. Oh my God. Whoa. Look out, everybody. Okay, run before they kill us. I don't want to die. Keep running, Sheridan. Don't look back. Oh, okay. Oh, gosh. Oh, they're not done. Oh, let's get out of here. Whoa. That was pretty intense. Was not ready for that. That was pretty cool. This is kind of it. I don't know if any of you guys ever been to Idaho or not, but Idaho's a pretty cool place. Like I said, this is very different. A lot of you probably think I'm really weird, which you're not wrong. I'll tell you that right now. You're not wrong if you think I'm weird. I'm definitely weird, huh? You see what I'm saying? That's coming straight from my weird sister too. Awesome. And that's a wrap.